Hi, welcome to the demonstration of Selenium training program. With over 14 years of expertise in software testing, we now bring to you our experience across domains, verticals, and geographies packed in 40 hours. The objective of this program is to ensure you get adequate exposure to Selenium. Over the duration of training, you will be provided with sufficient practical sessions to help you get hands-on with Selenium, post which there will be an online evaluation and mock interviews. Selenium is probably the best option for automation testing of websites today. It is becoming increasingly popular and it is the first choice of automation testers as well as organizations for automating the testing of web-based applications for both functional and regression testing. The training begins with fundamentals of software testing, importance of testing, different types of testing, and manual testing concepts. Then we move ahead with automation testing concepts like importance of automation testing, when to automate, and why to automate. Then we shall proceed with configuration and creation of scripts using Selenium IDE, basic record and playback feature, using verifications, assertions, inserting steps, locating element by XPath, DOM, synchronization steps, converting scripts to different programming languages, recording, building, running and debugging test cases and test suites in Selenium IDE. Once we complete IDE, then we move ahead with Java OOPS concepts, exception handling, basic skills required for Java programming. Then we continue with Selenium remote control introduction, architecture, configuring RC, enhancing IDE script using RC, commonly used RC commands. Then we shall get into the WebDriver introduction, architecture, configuration, scripting using WebDriver, execution of script on different browsers. We will also discuss Selenium Grid, different frameworks like JUnit and TestNG. If you wish to embark on a software testing journey, please register for the training and we will ensure you are adequately prepared. Thank you.